Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a gray card for white balance. First, ensure you have an 18% neutral gray card, which is crucial for accurate color representation. Position the gray card in the exact lighting conditions as your main subject. This ensures the camera measures the light correctly. Next, set your Canon camera to a manual or a semi-manual mode like aperture priority or shutter priority. This gives you control over exposure settings for the custom white balance shot. Now let's capture the reference shot. Hold the gray card so it fills a significant portion of your camera's viewfinder, ideally at least 2/3 of the frame. Make sure the card is in sharp focus and evenly lit, without any harsh shadows or bright reflections. Take a picture of the gray card. This image will serve as your camera's neutral color reference point, allowing it to accurately interpret the lighting conditions. With the reference shot taken, it's time to set the custom white balance in your Canon camera. Go into your camera's menu and locate the white balance settings. From there, select the custom white balance option. Your camera will then prompt you to choose an image to use as the reference. Select the picture of the gray card you just took. Confirm your selection, and your camera will now apply this precise white balance to all subsequent photos. Using a gray card for custom white balance offers significant advantages. It guarantees accurate and consistent colors across all your images, which is especially vital for professional work. Remember to recalibrate your white balance whenever the lighting environment changes, even subtly. This simple step can save you hours of color correction in post-processing. For critical color accuracy in fields like product photography or portraiture, a gray card is an indispensable tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.